Just your average, run-of-the-mill, very nice Radisson hotel room. Got Get Smart on the television there. Got, some pretty cool furniture here. And the one anomaly in the room is, oh, what's this? Oh, handsaw and carving chisels and a carving mallet. Not exactly what you'd expect to find in this type of setting. But here we go. It is the night before Woodworking in America, and I can't wait to get started. Keep you guys all up to date on the goings-ons. Stay tuned to the tweet stream and the YouTube stream. Plenty of coverage to come. See you tomorrow.